Tonight I'm fixing brown butter tortellini. So I've got the everyday skillet here on the stove, and I love the handle that you can purchase that fits over that so that it's easy for me to grip and not have to worry about that being hot. Now I have a half stick of butter that I've sliced, and you can see that I already have the skillet just a little bit warm. That's okay. So this is the silicone whisk spatula, and this is going to be very handy as I toss the tortellini and the spinach. I can go ahead and get the butter going. Now this butter is going to cook for just a little bit because we want it to start getting brown. That's why it's called brown butter tortellini. And we want this to smell kind of nutty. Now, I have already cooked the tortellini, and you want to cook this on the low side. So this one said 2 to 3 minutes. You want to cook it for 2. You don't want to overcook it. Then I've already got my spinach ready. And we're going to use a new seasoning called savory maple. And then I did reserve 1/4 of a cup of the pasta water. Pasta water is very good for thickening the pasta dish that you're making. And I'll show you, then I also have some balsamic vinegar that we're going to add to finish it off, and some Parmesan cheese. So this is what it's supposed to look like. We'll see how close we can come to that. Okay, smelling good. You can smell that this is, see there, it's starting to get a little bit brown. That's what we want. And this will, it won't take long for the spinach to wilt in this brown butter. And you don't want it to burn, you just want it to get nice and good. Okay, looking like to me that we're almost there. Put the spinach in first. And I've got the colander, and I love the fact that it has this spoon on the top. We also have this in a smaller size now, which is I have the tortellini. And I add 1/4 of a cup of pasta water, and I need 2 tablespoons. Check that, make sure I'm not putting too much in. 2 tablespoons of savory maple. Smells so good. Give that another toss. Now, if you want to add meat to this and make it a main dish, you could do pieces of already cooked pork, or you could do some chicken. I make a wonderful grilled chicken in the grill pan, cast iron grill pan. I marinate the chicken for about an hour before I cook it, and then I brown it on both sides in that cast iron grill pan with the cress on it. Delicious. So that would go cut up pieces of chicken would be good with this. You could also use rotisserie chicken.